What is up, everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to control a LED with the IR remote. Let's get to it. The components you'll be needing for this project are the Arduino Uno, a big breadboard, and one IR receiver, and a IR remote as well. Doesn't matter which one, you can use your TV remote too. And you're going to need 5 LEDs, and you're going to need 5 100 ohm resistors, and you're going to need a few jumper wires, and that's all. Okay guys, to use the IR remote with the Arduino, we're going to have to decode its signals. For that, we're going to have to connect the IR receiver to the Arduino. So what we're going to do is connect pin 1 of the IR receiver to pin 10 on the Arduino. And then we're going to connect pin 2 of the IR receiver to the ground pin on the Arduino. And then we're going to connect pin 3 of the IR receiver to the 5-volt pin on the Arduino. And that's all the connections to decode the IR remote. This is the circuit that I just made, guys. You can follow it and decode the IR signals. Next, what you're gonna have to do is upload this IR decoder sketch. You can find the link for this in the description below. And also remember that you're gonna need the IR remote library for this. Then pull up the serial monitor and press 5 buttons on the IR remote for the 5 LEDs. Then take the IR signal code and write that down somewhere. Because we have decoded the IR remote signal, let's add LEDs to the circuit. After we're done adding the LEDs, let's add a resistor to each negative end of the LED. After adding a resistor to all the LEDs, let's add a wire from the first LED to pin 6, then the second LED to pin 5, then the third LED to pin 4, then the fourth LED to pin 3, then the fifth LED to pin 2 on the Arduino. And that's all the connections you need to make. This is the circuit that I just made, guys. You guys can make it by following this. Next, download this code from the description below and pull up your decoded codes for the IR remote, and then replace it with the part that says fill in, like this. Do the same for all of them. After you're done, upload the sketch to your Arduino. If you did everything correctly, when you press the buttons on the IR remote, the LEDs should be turning on correspondingly, like this. If you like this video, please subscribe and like.